This recipe video is sponsored by DOWAN, who sent us these adorable little ramekins to make our great little applesauce cake in. And we love this little finish here. It's a nice twist on a classic ramekin style where it has these great little vertical ridges or ribbing on it, but it also has a nice little concave shape to it. So it's kind of just like a nice little classy extra detail. And it's in this beautiful cream kind of oatmeal color with a matte finish to the glaze. So they're just a beautiful, nice little touch if you're looking for something nice to serve a little bit of breakfast in, whether it's to family or guests. It's just a really classy touch. And we're going to be making a great little applesauce cake. So we're going to preheat our oven to 350, and we're going to take a little extra butter and just grease the inside of each of our ramekins so that our cake releases really easily when people go to eat. So just a little extra butter in each one will do the trick, and we'll be ready to start making our cake. We're going to get started making our applesauce cake. We've got our granulated sugar and our soft butter in our bowl, and I'm just going to use a spatula to blend those two together quickly. Once our butter and sugar is all mixed together and nice and creamy and soft, we're going to go ahead and add our applesauce and our egg and mix that all around. And just mix these two ingredients in until they're well combined. Once that's all mixed in, we're going to add our sifted flour, baking powder, some cinnamon and ginger. We're going to stir this in quickly until it's almost combined. You want to see just a little bit of flour left, and then we're going to gently mix in our apples, and we will be ready to scoop into our ramekins. We're going to go ahead and use a nice little portion scoop to scoop our apple cake mixture into our ramekins. We're going to make a quick streusel topping for the top of our little apple cakes, and I have some flour in my bowl. I'm going to add some brown sugar, some white granulated sugar, and just a little bit of cinnamon in there. And I'm quickly just going to blend that around and make sure that packed brown sugar is broken up. I'm just going to add my melted butter and mix this around quickly with my fork. Our little applesauce cakes are ready to go in the oven. We've got it all preheated to 350. We're going to pop them in and bake them really quickly, and then we'll show you the finished result. We've just pulled our little applesauce cakes out of the oven and let them cool for a few minutes. They're typically going to take about 20 to 25 minutes to bake at 350, and you can see they're nice and well done. You want to test them with a little toothpick just to make sure you don't have any wet batter still in the middle. And you can see they make a delightful, fluffy, beautiful, and tasty little cake that can easily be served with fresh whipped cream, a scoop of ice cream while they're still warm out of the oven, or just some beautiful fresh berries. But it makes a wonderful warm breakfast or a nice treat at the end of a meal in the fall.